I lie to them say the fittest survive. And nothing beats a try but a failure. Mr. Right Crazy, I feel like a stuffed turkey. Wow. So guess what? May I try run off. Hard work, you know, only for work, but not come easy in a life, my love. So guess what? The whole heap of turkey, the ham, the roast beef, the pork, the curry goat. Morning! Hello, baby. Jesus Christ. Yes, nobody can exercise for me. So I have to do it for myself. And then the right knee cripple. So, wakey! Rise and shine. Say yes, Castle Black. One more Christmas. Done and over with a wait. And the new hair. Feel me catch your breath. I look good exercising though. Morning! Yes, sir, crazy. So all my royal crazies. Yes. The little things in life to be appreciated too. We need somebody to come help me exercise. Who will help me? Yeah, man. And the rain and drizzle. Alright. But I overeat over Christmas. Watch my face. Fat and juicy. Morning. Say yes, God will bless you, man. I need to take a break now. Fuck that. Clean it.